Yesterday, social media world was brought into a state of shock after the grisly discovery of Jamaican social media influencer Aneka Townsend, whose body was discovered in a beach in St. James. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Let's Talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. We'll be right back. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Let's Talk. This is the place where we discuss issues of national importance, global importance, or the situation that are buzzing in the news. So very sad news coming outside of St. James and the corporate era where this individual resides, after it was discovered that a popular social media influencer who goes by the name Aneka Townsend, more popularly known as Slickianna, her body was discovered at a beach in St. James yesterday, and as the police commence an investigation into the matter, there have been many theories circulating online, and we're about now to discover what might have happened to the female who had just left Kingston for Montego Bay just a few hours before her body was discovered. The police have not yet provided an official report about her passing. However, social media has been abuzz with activities with numerous persons reaching out in order to express their condolences to her family and friends. So yesterday was a state of shock for many after the grisly discovery of the female body found in a beach in Montego Bay, St. James. It was just over 2 hours after the discovery of the body that it was actually revealed that this was the body of Aneka Slickianna Townsend, who was actually from a Kingston address. And the reason why she was in Montego Bay on the night that this happened to her is still unclear. However, there have been many theories circulating online stating that she had went to Montego Bay in order to attend a pool party. The Jamaica Constabulary Force, who is heading the investigation, has not yet provided an official report as to what might have led to the female demise and have not yet confirmed her identity. However, social media has been abuzz with activity from last night into early this morning after numerous videos of the actual crime scene circulating on social media and actually other videos of her hours before she was found. This falls just over a month after the disappearance of another popular social media influencer, Donnelly Donaldson, who her boyfriend at this time is currently the one that police have in custody in relation to her disappearance. Many people have been speculating whether or not this might have been a love situation that went sour, which might have led to her demise. However, this has not yet been confirmed by the Jamaica Constabulary Force, but there have been so much speculation going online whether or not her lover might have done this to her. A number of individuals, include popular figures in the social media world and also media, took the time in order to express shock of the passing of this female. Teaching you my cooking skills, from Auntie Donna posted, "You were the first influencer to support my cake business and even help me with ads." Media personality and host Yanni Curvy Diva, now businesswoman, also did a post on her social media page about this female. She wrote, "I saw you just 3 days ago when you came to my restaurant with your mom for her birthday. We were laughing cause I wanted you to try something other than the stuffed lobster, which was your favorite. To know that the last pic you posted was at the restaurant and you'll never dine with us again hurts my heart. Rest in peace, I still can't believe," with a broken heart emoji. Another social media personality, T's Unstoppable, post, "I've seen pictures of her on social media, never met her, but don't know why I felt so personal hearing about her passing, especially how her life ended. My condolences to her family and friends," with a broken heart emoji. So there have been numerous people that have been giving their condolences to her family and friends, and I can tell you that this news came as a shock to many, as many were not expecting this news that broke yesterday afternoon after the gruesome discovery of her body in Montego Bay, St. James. Over the past few weeks, we have seen a number of instances where violence have been displayed towards female, and this has been an ongoing problem within our culture. And with the spiraling crime rate that is crippling our economy, this is a real cause for concern. What transpired to this female is a very sad and unfortunate situation, and a family should not have to endure this level of pain and grief within their life based on the hands of someone else who violently took this female life away from her, unknowingly to the family members of what was about to come. This is a very sad situation, and we have seen situations such as these being played out in more than one instances, and this is not the first time we have seen situations such as these, which is a real cause for concern. I know that no words cannot even begin to express right now what the family members of this female is going through, and no words can offer no level of comfort to them, because this will take a time to heal, and this might not even be healed considering the fact that the female have a young boy as well who was just in the prime of his life, and to get this tragic news that his mother will not return home. How can you break a news such as that to this young boy? So the social media influencer and entrepreneur Aneka Townsend, more popularly known as Slickianna, was found on Friday in Montego Bay, St. James. Sources have stated that the young entrepreneur's body was found floating in the sea close to the shore with just a footwear on. Aneka Townsend, who has 317,000 followers on her Instagram account, reportedly had what appeared to be a wound to her head. This has not yet been confirmed, however, by the Jamaican Constabulary Force. A gruesome video shared online showed a body floating with one shoe that resembled the footwear the influencer wore in her last Instagram picture, and a tattoo on the side of her leg and butt which closely resembled the same one Townsend has. Checks made on her Instagram account showed that the woman shared more than a dozen posts on her Instagram account over the last 16 hours. The last image of herself was shared 22 hours ago and showed her wearing nude-colored foam runners, shorts, and a white t-shirt along with a purse. The female was well known in the entertainment space and was rumored at one time to be dating dancehall recording artist Baby Sham in 2019 after the two were spotted at his hotel in Kingston. And they were seen appearing in cozy photos, but these are all allegations and nothing yet have been proven. However, neither she nor the artist confirm or deny the rumors, especially since Sham is married to his wife, Miss O. Slickianna was also rumored to be dating the husband of a popular dancehall artist, which allegedly led to her marriage ending. Not much else is known about Slickianna's personal life, except that she has a son and that she formerly was a stripper at the Taboo Strip Club at his former New Kingston location. The Jamaica Constabulary Force has not yet commented on the identity of the female found, despite numerous speculation that this is Slickianna. But there have been unconfirmed reports that it is actually the female. However, we are waiting for confirmation from the Jamaica Constabulary Force. All I can say is that what happened to this female or what led to her demise is very sad, and it's an unfortunate situation to have happened to such a young and beautiful female. As you could see in most of the images there, she looked really nice, and it's very shocking to just see how this female lost her life, even though details surrounding her passing is still not known. Whichever way it goes, this situation could have been dealt with in a different way. And now to the realization of her family and friends about what transpired to her, this will puzzle them for a very long time, based on the fact that just a few days ago this female would have been a part of us and been a part of this world, and now she departed in such a tragical way. And unknowingly to many right now, this has been puzzling many, just that her body was discovered and she is no longer a part of this world. All I can say is that situations such as these are very sad, and these are very unfortunate situations to be reporting on. But we really need to start looking at ourselves as a country and as a nation at large in order to see how best we can protect ourselves, because some of these females at times they really need to start thinking about their own personal safety and try to think of what they're doing with their life, because most of the time these individuals they get caught in certain situations. I'm not saying that what happened to Slickianna could have been avoided, because details surrounding her passing is still not yet known. However, most of the time the red flags are there. They see certain things happening within their own personal life as it relates to them being with someone. Not saying that this was the case with Slickianna, but based on how her body was discovered, it's very clear that foul play is suspected and someone is responsible for what happened to her. However, we're going to continue to track this story though and provide you with more information to come on this once it becomes available to us. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Have a blessed and productive day, and you can just drop it in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this story. And if it's the first time you're watching this channel, please subscribe and click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. Thanks for watching and have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV team.